I'm a beauty and a makeup expert, and you're watching me on Foxy, where you can see a lot of content on skin, beauty, and makeup. Not only see, but buy it too. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can really maintain your eyebrows being back at home during this lockdown. So let's get started. Have you seen those funny messages and videos floating around कि जब lockdown खत्म होगा, so women will look very funny because there'll be, hair all over the face. But that's not true. We should know that women are very smart to take care of them. So what you need for actually maintaining your eyebrow is something very simple and very small. It's a tweezer, and this is usually which is available at all houses. So I'm going to be showing you the right way that you can use the tweezer to pluck your hair and get your eyebrows in the right shape. So the first step is to apply a little warm water. It shouldn't be too hot, but just a little warm water, and just apply it close to the area where you have to pluck your hair. So this is just going to soften the skin, and it's going to, make the process a little more easier and less painful. So the second step is to use a tweezer and to just pluck out the hair that you know are not very close to your eyebrow line. So once you're done plucking all the hair which are a little away from your eyebrow, it's now time to get closer to the eyebrow. Just be careful with the way you do the plucking close to the eyebrow, because you do not want to go over plucked, right? You do not want to leave any gaps or spaces in between. So what I suggest is to actually fill your eyebrows first, so that you have a boundary in place and you know exactly that this is the boundary that you need not cross. I first use a normal brush, like an eyebrow brush, comb brush. Then using a dark eyeshadow, or maybe if you have an eyebrow pencil, you can use that. Just start filling your brows. Once you've done that, you know exactly what little hair is, standing beside that. So I'm pretty much done with my eyebrows. So once you've done with that, you can just apply some astringent or maybe some, soothing gel that can actually calm down the redness around that area. You can use the tweezer again to do the plucking in the center. And again, just using some gel, soothing gel, you can just apply that in the area. If you have some thick hair strands over the eyebrow, I don't have that, so you can actually just use the plucker to do that. So for me, tweezing comes as a very handy thing because A, it is very, very inexpensive. Second, usually every household has a tweezer, it's easily available. Also, it helps you in getting the precise shape of the eyebrows that you want, because it helps in plucking the precise hair so that you have the perfect shape. So which is why I feel tweezing comes as a very handy thing, especially in the lockdown these days. Also, just a piece of advice, if you're using your tweezer with other people in the family, I would suggest that please sterilize it after every use. You can either put it in boiling water, or you can use a sanitizer to actually sanitize this. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you've not downloaded the Foxy app, you must download now. Till then, stay fab, stay foxy.